Hello, how are you? Today we will shows ours final game programming game that we create. This is our Unity game project. The gameplay includes player movement, camera control using the mouse, and an interaction system with NPCs. We've built multiple scenes with different enemies, and each boss gets stronger. For example, the second boss has higher health and deals more damage than the first one. Players can pick up items around the area by triggering them, and both the player and enemies have health bars with their names displayed on screen. The game also records the player's completion time, from the start of the game until the player finishes it, and shows the best time at the end. We also added background music to make the experience more immersive. At the beginning of development, we tried using Unity's new input system, but it didn't work well with our animation setup and caused a lot of bugs. So we decided to mix it with the old input system, and surprisingly, that combination worked very well. After that, we focused on building the scenes and user interface, including the main menu, credits, and timer display. We also wanted a full interaction system for objects and NPCs, but due to time limits, we used it mainly for dialogues instead. In Unity, the camera uses a simple mouse rotation script that follows the player. The health system for both the player and enemies is controlled by scripts that update a UI slider in real time. The interaction system checks when the player presses a key near an NPC or item trigger. When the player defeats a boss, a condition script spawns a new object that allows the player to interact and load the next scene. The time record system starts counting when the game begins and stops when the player finishes. It also saves the fastest completion time using player prefs, so the best record is shown even after restarting the game. Through this project, we learned to solve technical problems, especially with the input system, animations, and time tracking, and to combine multiple gameplay systems into one complete experience. Even though we didn't have enough time for everything, we're proud of how far the project has come. Thank you for watching.